Hey there! Today we're taking a first look at the brand new Razer Seiren BT, a Bluetooth microphone made with streamers on the move in mind. Stay tuned for first thoughts from a cooking streamer's perspective. Hitting the market today, the Razer Seiren BT is ideal for IRL streamers who need a lightweight microphone without being tethered to their device. Inside the box, you'll find instructions on connecting your Seiren BT to your phone for audio adjustments, and an instructional booklet that will walk you through how to pair your microphone and what buttons will mute, connect, or end your call. Aside from the microphone itself, which weighs just 14.5 grams or half an ounce to those of us who forego the metric system, the box includes both a foam and furry windsock, keeping the microphone from picking up outside sounds when it's freaking windy outside. Since I needed to connect this to my computer rather than my mobile device, I connected it to my PC via a Bluetooth adapter that I purchased separately, which is linked down below in the description box. I did have to disable the native Bluetooth adapter in my computer itself to let the extender work from my kitchen since it's a good distance away, but that was really easy to do. In order to adjust the settings on the microphone itself, simply download the Razer streaming app to get access to the gain, add in side tone to hear yourself talking for level adjustments, and toggle on low latency mode. Now, let's head into the kitchen so you can hear how this microphone sounds and how I make it work as a cooking streamer.
And here we are in my kitchen. The Razer Seiren BT is about 20 feet away from my computer, but I do have my Bluetooth extender very close to me because for me to be able to stream to my computer, it actually has to go through two walls, not just my kitchen wall, but the office wall as well. So the Bluetooth extender actually does a fantastic job of making sure that the signal doesn't get too diluted between me and the computer. Keep in mind that the Razer Seiren BT is meant more for streaming directly from your mobile device, but I'm a cooking streamer and you know we have cameras just raining down on us. It is what you gotta do. Now I'm able to have a great quality microphone for an actually affordable price, with the Razer Seiren BT only being $99. It is a really good price point and great for the convenience of not having to have a microphone with a stand right in front of you and usually in frame with you as well for you to be able to have that. The benefit as well is that it's an omnidirectional microphone. So if I'm turning around and I'm talking and looking at something that's back here, I'm talking about it while I'm about to look back at the camera, just doing the motions that I normally do when I cook. I can be at the stove, have a conversation, then look back at the camera, and I can go into my refrigerator to go and get more ingredients. The Razer Seiren BT has been a great asset to my cooking streams so far. I'm really excited. And if you want to see more cooking content, I actually stream at twitch.tv/wirelessriot. And I also am posting more cooking content here to YouTube, so youtube.com/wirelessriot. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell, that way you get notified when I post a new video. If you're interested in seeing any specific recipes cooked here on the channel, let me know down in the comments. I'm always curious about what you guys want to see me cook. Thank you again to Razer for providing me this microphone. Again, all of my opinions are my own. I am a very open and honest person, and this is my honest opinion about the microphone. I haven't been able to test it on mobile streaming at the moment. It is a viable option for your computer. You just have to add in a couple extra steps, and I will be posting links down below of everything that I've used. Thank you again for being here for my review of the Razer Seiren BT microphone. Please head on down below if you're interested in purchasing it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.